Hi, I'm Steve and I work in DevTools here at Microchip. Data Visualizer Runtime, or DVRT, is a lightweight protocol for reading and writing global variables in your firmware at runtime. Here's a bit about how to visualize data in projects that use the DVRT protocol in the MPLAB Data Visualizer plugin. The first thing I'll do is start my debug session on my PIC16F18446 Curiosity Nano kit. While that's launching, let's take a look at the main.c file. This is where we have defined some global variables that I can choose to visualize using the DVRT protocol. Now that the firmware is running on the kit, we're ready to create the DVRT session. To do that, I'll click the Data Visualizer toolbar drop-down button and select DVRT for main project. This will create a DVRT session that's associated with my project. You can see that the symbols have been loaded, but no source is connected. So, before we connect a source, let's choose some variables to stream. I'll click the first row and press Enter. As I start typing, you can see it filtering the selections for my project. I'll choose test count 16. Now I'll type lat_a in order to show the SFR that's responsible for toggling the LED on the kit. At this point, we're ready to connect to the firmware on the target. I'll click the No Source button here and type COR to only show the serial ports associated with this kit. I'm going to select TTY since we're on a Mac, and I'll configure the baud rate to match the baud rate settings in the project, and then start the data capture. Now, it will connect to the DVRT session and begin streaming the values of the variables in the table. We can see that lat_a is toggling quickly between 0 and some number, and the value of test count 16 is ramping up to some larger number. To get a better idea of how these variables are changing over time, I'll click Plot All Variables on the DVRT session. Now we can see that lat_a's values match the pulse of the LED, and that test count 16 ramps up continuously before rolling over. And there you have it. Now you know that the lightweight DVRT protocol can be used to visualize runtime variables with the MPLAB Data Visualizer plugin and Microchip debug tools. These features are also available in the MPLAB Data Visualizer. To learn more, visit the MPLAB Data Visualizer webpage, linked below, and stay tuned for more bits in this series. Thanks for watching.